before Saturday. This is Jainisha.
This is Jagriti Varlani, and you're watching AGS News.
We are here to present to you the happenings,
Gossips,
behind the scenes,
and take you through the journey of the multiverse of learning, the Edu Carnival.
from our young Pythagoras to our very own Shakespeare. We have it all. Let's take a look at what the young applets are up to from the eyes of the Visual Graffiti Club.
We'll start with some fun and see the prep behind the exciting performances of the dance, art, and music clubs. We have our exceptional reporters, Sia, Arshi, and Giara on site. Let's take a look at what the dance club is doing. Sia, can you hear me?
Yes, Jagriti, I can hear you. So today we are with the head of our dance club. So how are you today, sir?
I'm good, thank you for asking. Sia, how are you?
I am fine. So I think you are aware that I am going to take a small interview of you. Are you ready?
Yep, just about.
Okay, so the first question for today is, can you just name some of the dance styles you are going to showcase in the performance?
Sure, so one of the styles that we're doing is jazz funk. Now in jazz funk, this is like a mixture of jazz and hip hop put together. So they're showcasing with extreme energy and level.
In music club, we have learned two new folk song and a western song, and we have learned how to perform music in a fun and new way, and how to perform it so that everyone enjoys.
So let's see what's happening in the art club. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So, sir, the first question for you is, what's the progress of your club?
The art club is going well, extremely well, and all the athletes are doing very well in the art club, and they have created much more of interesting drawings.
This is your reporter Ashi, signing off with cameraman Sashwat. Thank you.
Such commendable hard work. Pretty sure they have great energetic performances up their sleeves.
Now, let's head over to the Science and the Math Club and see the chemistry and calculations of the groups with our diligent reporters Anika and Giara.
What is your project exactly?
Okay, so we are making a kinetic walkway in which when you walk on these sensors, when you apply pressure onto these sensors, like for example, if a car is running on the road, then these sensors would generate electricity that would be stored into batteries, and that would light up our streets, that would light up our street lamps. It is basically a form of renewable energy. It is a new and unexplored form of renewable energy that we are testing through this project.
So let's see what's happening at the Maths Club. First question for you is that what's your progress till now in the club?
Okay, the students are doing a wonderful job. They have made a wonderful research on the topics, and they have worked on the projects very efficiently and very innovatively, I can say. And now we are moving forward with the finishing part for the final culmination for the final show.
Signing out from our own school. See you on 27th of April. Thank you.
Kudos to the Science Club for turning curiosity into discovery and sparking the flames of innovation.
Indeed, sheer hard work, a perfect display of how fun math can be, and an even better use of pure intelligence by our applets.
It is now time for a short ad break.
Sakshi, let the ads roll.
And we're back, folks. सूत्रों से जानकारी मिली है कि we'll be having some plays.
Correct information, the English and the Hindi clubs have some engaging and elaborate stories to showcase that are sure to keep you interested at every second.
That is so exciting. Let's explore.
With Gaurav.
What is the gist of your club?
So Literary Odyssey is all about the world of literature, how it is very vast and we can explore all aspects of it. We have poem recitation, we have declamation, we have characters come alive, we have presentation, we have different aspects and a lot of students who are performing different things.
क्या मैं जान सकता हूँ कि आपके क्लब के सबसे ज़्यादा यादगार पल कौन से थे आपके?
यादगार पल अगर हास्य के रूप में आप देखते हो तो एक बार अपनी वॉइस में मैं रिकॉर्डिंग कर रही थी और सभी बच्चे इतने शांत थे तो उनकी रिकॉर्डिंग, मेरी आवाज़, मुझे ही हंसी आ गई कि पूरी रिकॉर्डिंग खराब हो गई. तो ये थोड़े यादगार पल हैं, मतलब जो हास्य के लिए हैं.
धन्यवाद
गौरव, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. आपने बहुत अच्छे प्रश्न पूछे. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, ma'am.
We hope that we succeeded in bringing a smile to your faces
and in expressing our endless love.
Now let's go to the AI Club and our home, the VGC Club.
So I'm back with another interview, but this time from the students of the club VGC. We have Ananya and Giara right here with us. So how are you feeling today, guys?
Hi Sia, I'm great.
I'm great, how are you? I'm fine, thank you very much. So I think you guys are aware, I'm going to take a small interview of you guys. So let us begin. My first question is for Ananya. Ananya, you were in this club last year also. So what did you experience this year?
Last year we focused mainly on photography, but this year I especially focused more on the t-shirt designs. It was surely an exhilarating process. It had its ups and downs, but it was really fun. From learning how to convert RGB file to CMYK, to going from ideas to rough sketch to the final print that we have on the t-shirts now, I certainly had a lot of fun and I learned a lot of things this time.
Okay, can I ask you a fun question? Sure. The question is, what if the AI intelligence you made replaces humans?
It might happen in the future, but we don't have to forget that we are the ones who made it.
That's really true. Thank you so much.
Absolutely futuristic work by our young techies, always pushing the boundaries, working tirelessly and shaping the future with their vigilance.
What a fun-filled journey it has been. Each performance,
Project
display,
is sure to have you in an engaging hold.
we hope that you have a good time. This is Jaini and Jagrati
Signing off.